Congratulations on completing Phase 1 and welcome to Phase 2. If you haven't completed Phase 1, then please go back and do so, as Phase 2 operates under the presumption that you've done Phase 1 and that you know Phase 1 and you're ready to build on top of that. We're not going to really review things as much as just kind of build upon them, okay? So, in Phase 1, we focused more on a piecemeal approach to training. There were breathing exercises over here, core closure over there. In fact, there was a whole separate section for your diaphragm. But in Phase 2, we connect all of technique with the unifying thread of the support reflex. A reflex in the body that helps to facilitate healthy sound production with the voice that extends from the perineum all the way to the crown of the head. An interesting note about Phase 2 is that you'll find there are no scales, not in the conventional sense. There are no arpeggiated scales. Why? Because now I want you to focus on reflexes in the body and singing by feel, on your sensations. This is where mastery comes in. This is what it means to become a natural singer, by learning to feel your way through your voice instead of trying to focus on hitting the note. I like to think of Phase 2 not so much as voice lessons, but as kind of rehab for the body. Restoring the reflexes and muscle memory that you've lost for various reasons, whether it be through bad habits or straining or even some emotional related ways that we kind of clench our bodies up. But by restoring the proper muscle memory, emphasis on muscle memory and coordination, then we make our bodies into singing machines. And again, this is the essence of what it means to become a natural singer. So you think while you train, and you pay attention to all your feelings and how things feel emotionally and physically. And then when it comes time for you to perform or audition or sing in the studio, you just let go and your body will kind of run that program and it will know what to do. So with all that being said, let's get started with your first lesson.